How ChatGPT actually thinks, a peek inside the brain of AI. Have you ever wondered what really goes on inside ChatGPT's brain when you ask a question? How does it come up with a sentence? Not just once, but again and again, making it feel like it understands you. Well, it doesn't think like you or me, but it does something surprisingly close. Let's take a peek inside. Section 1. It all starts with tokens. Every time you type something, ChatGPT breaks your sentence into pieces called tokens. Think of tokens as puzzle pieces. For example, I love chocolate might become I love choco-late. These aren't exactly words. They're parts of words or even single characters. Why? Because breaking text into smaller parts helps ChatGPT understand any language, no matter how it's spelled. Section 2. Neural networks. The brain behind the bot. ChatGPT is powered by something called a neural network. But here's the difference. Our brains have neurons. ChatGPT has mathematical functions, millions of them. Imagine 96 layers of virtual thought, each one building upon the last, asking, what's the most likely next token in this sentence? It doesn't know meaning the way humans do, but it learns patterns from mountains of text across the internet. Billions of words, books, conversations, fed into it during training. It's not conscious, but it's very, very good at guessing. Section 3. Predicting the next word. That's all it really does. Here's the magic trick. ChatGPT isn't thinking about the full answer. It's only focused on one thing. What comes next? The sky is, it might guess, blue. Then it looks again. The sky is blue and what now? Clear. It keeps doing this, one token at a time, over and over, until it feels like the sentence is complete. It's like a super advanced autocomplete, but instead of just finishing a word, it finishes your thought. Section 4. What is language modeling? ChatGPT is what we call a language model. But what does that mean? It means it was trained to recognize patterns in language so deeply that it can generate new language on its own. It's not pulling answers from a database. It's predicting each response in real time, based on everything it has learned. Think of it like this. You say something, it analyzes your tokens, it responds based on probabilities. It's not remembering your sentence. It's continuously guessing the best way to reply. Section 5. Reinforcement and fine-tuning. After the initial training, it went through something called fine-tuning. That's where human reviewers helped improve how it responds. Let's say early ChatGPT gave robotic, weird answers. Humans would step in, rate different replies, and guide it. This response sounds more helpful. This one, too formal. The model learns from feedback, not by remembering users, but by adjusting its internal guesswork over time. Section 6. It doesn't know facts, it knows patterns. Here's something important. ChatGPT doesn't know facts like a human. If you ask, who's the president of Mars? It might make something up. Why? Because it's trained to give coherent answers, not necessarily correct ones. It's not browsing the web or checking a live database. It's generating language based on patterns. Section 7. So, is it really thinking? Not in the way we do. It doesn't have emotions. It doesn't have beliefs. It doesn't form intentions. But in a strange way, it mimics the surface of thought, just enough to sound intelligent, helpful, even human. The future of AI thinking. The brain of ChatGPT is made of code, math, and data. But what it produces can inspire ideas, solve problems, tell stories, even teach us how to learn, not by thinking, but by predicting. One token at a time. And now that you know how it thinks, what will you ask it next? Like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next about AI.